Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Compass Real Estate up here in Big Bear Lake. In fact, there's Big Bear Lake. I am over here today at 286 Vista. So this one has been on the market, 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, $589,900 right now. And as you can see, right across the street from the lake. So you've got lake access right over here. So come check this one out. Okay, so starting outside like we always do, street view right here. So this sits on the corner of Vista Lane and Lakeview Drive. Up here, you're gonna hit the boulevard if you keep going right north. And all of these that you're looking at right now are all lakefront homes. In fact, I used to live right there. So that street right there goes down to the lake, so you can access the water right there. But looking at the house we're looking at today, 286 Vista. So kind of on the outside, we got like a newer roof. We've got newer pavement right here, extra parking as well right there. You got some neat outdoor space and a lot more space that you could do more with too. But this one was originally built in 1938. So this is that older neighborhood over by the lake, but it definitely feels a little bit newer in here, kind of like updated in like a 1960s, 70s. So you can admire the tongue and groove, knotty pine that everybody loves. This one is currently a vacation rental. Maximum 5 people and 2 cars are allowed here. So got our dining room right here and some upgraded flooring as well. Our vaulted ceilings. So you're probably about a mile and a half from the downtown area of Big Bear Lake. So very desirable area. In the living room, you have this faux fireplace. That looks newer than the 1938 that the cabin actually is. And then from right here, you've got a pretty nice lake view right there. Obviously looks better in person than online or on the pictures. So 9,000 square foot lot on this one, so you've got a lot more room to add on in the back if you wanted to, but you've got some updated quartz countertops, and they left the original cabinetry, which I love, and just updated with the pull knobs. So once again, this one is a 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and just about 1,000 square foot with a 1 car garage. And so you've got this farm kind of sink with a green tile. This looks, you know, probably closer to the age of the house. And here, oh, they have a water heater and then upgraded appliances as well. They go by the name One Nice View, apparently, on their Airbnb account. That's a fun little picture. So first bedroom, probably, I believe, about the size of a double bed, barn doors. And this one does have central heating in it as well, so that is another update from the age of the home. Updated shower, and actually the whole bathroom, because you've got a nice larger tile. Like a very oversized subway tile with a distressed look. Really pretty. And rock. And then, oh, look. This must be to like shade your leg. maybe. And then we will go into bedroom number 2, which is going to be the kids' bunk room. So a twin. So as you can see, that's 4 people so far. The occupancy is only 5 because you're doing 1,000 square foot divided by 200. So even though the house can actually sleep 6, like this is a queen bed right here too. Barn door. I love that they did those barn doors, but they did them with the nice knotty pine too. So yes, sleeps 5 illegally. You can sleep 6 if you were to use it yourself. Probably more if that was a pull-out couch though. So this is your garage. It's kind of a standard garage. It's concreted, not heated, but just about all you would need to store your stuff. And then I'm going to take you outside over to the back of the yard so that you can see all the different areas where you can do more with the home. So you've got a little outdoor grill. Might need a little bit of maintenance to it. Stop and waste right here. Here's pretty much your property line is this rock wall as well. But there's the lake right there. Then we will go to the back. The house actually has a concrete foundation, which is very new for a home that was built in 1936. Likely added on to as well. So as you can see, here is the lot. So you have a whole lot more you can do with the space. I mean, you could really have like a volleyball court back here if you wanted to, a pickleball court, and you still have a great view from right there. Then you've got owner's closet, kind of shed thing back here. They rent this one out with Destination Big Bear. And they've got this shake shingle siding, gives it that cabin look. And there you have it. So again, this is 286 Vista Lane for $590,000. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon. Bye.